Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. Y'all hear little Zeus down there? He's eating and he doesn't want to share his food. That little bitty 1 pound, 4 or 5 ounces at 9 months old toy poodle that I have. And he's doing good, but we're gonna find the winner. I have already put the URL in up here, and I have filtered for duplicates. I put the word mint in. And I did the numbers, 2 plus 6 is 8, and we'll see if we get the same 84 comments. Yep, 84 comments. And now we're gonna pop over here and we're gonna see who our winner is. I wanna thank you all. I first wanna tell you this was a Fabfitfun mystery bundle between Fabfitfun and Bombay and Cedar. And guys, Bombay and Cedar won this according to all your votes. And I thank you all for commenting, voting, entering, and I'm woohoo, 84 entries. That's really great. I wish you all the best of luck. And here we go. We're going to start this party and find out who the winner is. Our winner is Absalom Brambra. Now, I do not know if they're publicly subscribed to me, so we're going to have to pop over here and see. I know they comment on a regular basis, so I'm assuming that they're subscribed to me, and I'm assuming they're in the USA. And let's see if we can find. There I am, Miss Jackie Russell. So the winner is, let's go back over here to the comment picker, Absalom Bambra, and I sure hope I'm saying that right. They say here, I think Bombay and Cedar is the winner. I rated a 10. My favorite product was the mint lip balm. Well, congratulations, Absalom Bambra. You are the official winner, and you have 48 hours to contact me at MissJackieRussell@yahoo.com. And YouTube has nothing to do with this, and I'm not responsible for any products, or any loss or damage once it leaves my hands, but I will get it out in the mail to you as soon as possible. And congratulations. And everybody, let's congratulate Absalom. And I thank you very much, and be sure and be on the lookout because I have another giveaway that's going to end tomorrow, July 1st, the Fabfitfun Mystery Battle with Lori's Life. And there'll be more battles coming. Keep an eye on my description box for any latest news. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.